Hey guys, when you're done with the gallery website, this is what I want you to do for the criteria for your video that you have to make for me. So I'd like you to go back and open up the template file first, okay? 'Cause this is really the most important thing on here. And I'm going to switch back to my design view. So number one, okay, let's take care of the files window here. So I need to be able to see that you've got a gallery folder made. It's linked back to your gallery website. You clearly have a CSS folder along with your layout CSS file there. You have an images folder. You also have a templates. Again, this is something that Dreamweaver makes. Then you have got your template stored inside there, and your index is going to be back in the root. So actually, if I close out of or minimize these folders, you can just, that's sort of how it's going to look. But again, I would appreciate if you could sort of open up the CSS and the template. So that's how we should be looking there. Then, okay, your template file. Okay, so it should be called, should have the word template up here, gallery template.dwt. That's the naming process. This is what it should look like. This is going to be your editable region. Now, the other thing I'm going to have to check is your styles, okay, that you saved in your layout. So notice how the layout .css is linked back to that. So if I click on layout CSS, I'm going to go back to a split view. Do me a favor, go back to code view. Now, what I'm looking for is that you have one container, you have one logo div along with the settings on here. Same thing for navigation, okay, image, content, and footer. Now, again, it's possible that you might have multiple ones there if you've tried to do this multiple times. If that's the case, you have to clean this up. So there should be simply only one container div, styles that associated with that div, the logo div styles, the navigation div styles, the image, content, and then footer. Okay, so that I have to be able to see that and scroll through that and sort of just let me look at that as we go through this. You can go back to your source code and go back to your design view. So really, this is all I need to see here for your template. Then you can close out your template. And now you can open up your index. And again, a couple things I need to see on here in Dreamweaver. Again, you're back in the design view, not live. It's going to show here that I've got a template attached to this. I cannot click in any of these areas other than my content area. Again, you got this information from the zip file on Schoology. You don't have to type anything up, and here's your footer. And then finally, preview in browser. There's no links on this yet. It's simply just laid out. Notice how, again, whenever we bring this up in a browser, it's going to look a little bit different. Notice how like my nav buttons here sort of pulling apart. Again, that's the setting that we changed back in the nav div to have that set up like that. So I want to see this as a final thing on here. But again, like I said, we don't have the links on here yet. Okay, so this is all I really need to see for gallery.